Are you ready to elevate your culinary skills and streamline your cooking experience? In today's fast-paced world, high-tech kitchen gadgets are revolutionizing how we prepare meals, making cooking more efficient and enjoyable. From smart appliances that connect to your phone to innovative tools that save time and effort, these gadgets can transform your kitchen into a modern cooking haven. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, incorporating these 10 high-tech kitchen gadgets will not only enhance your cooking game, but also inspire creativity and confidence in every dish you create. So in this video, let's explore the must-have tools that will take your cooking to the next level. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Vinci Express 2 1.2-liter cold brew coffee maker. The Vinci Express 2 1.2-liter cold brew coffee maker is a game changer for coffee enthusiasts who crave convenience and speed. With the ability to brew cold coffee in just 15 minutes, it dramatically reduces the wait time compared to traditional methods. Its user-friendly one-button operation makes it incredibly easy to use, while the generous 1.2-liter capacity is perfect for serving multiple cups at once. This versatile maker can also brew tea or infuse fruits, making it a multifunctional addition to your kitchen. Its compact design allows it to fit seamlessly on any countertop, and you can customize the strength of your brew to suit your personal taste. The Vinci Express 2 1.2-liter cold brew coffee maker typically retails for around $70 to $100, depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions. Enjoy rich, delicious cold brew coffee at home with minimal effort. Number 9. Breville the Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine is a premium appliance designed for coffee lovers who appreciate quality and convenience. The Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine typically retails for around $900 to $1,200. Featuring an intuitive touchscreen interface, it simplifies the process of crafting espresso, allowing you to customize brew settings with ease. The machine's innovative auto-tamping system ensures consistent pressure for perfectly extracted shots every time. With a built-in steam wand, you can froth milk to your desired texture, ideal for lattes and cappuccino. The integrated grinder delivers fresh grounds for each brew, enhancing flavor and aroma. Plus, the machine's rapid heat-up time means you won't have to wait long for your morning coffee. Elevate your home brewing experience with this sophisticated and user-friendly espresso machine. Number 8. Star Wars Death Star Hot Air Style Popcorn Maker. The Star Wars Death Star Hot Air Style Popcorn Maker combines fun and functionality for fans of the iconic franchise. Shaped like the infamous Death Star, this unique popcorn maker adds a playful touch to any movie night. The Star Wars Death Star Hot Air Style Popcorn Maker usually ranges from about $30 to $50. Prices can vary based on the retailer and any special promotions. The machine heats up quickly, allowing you to enjoy fresh popcorn in just a few minutes. Its compact size makes it easy to store, while the easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance. Perfect for family gatherings or solo binge-watching sessions, this popcorn maker brings a galaxy far, far away right to your living room. Unleash your inner Jedi and enjoy a cinematic experience like never before. Number 7. Miele Flexify French Door Air Fryer Oven. The Miele Flexify French Door Air Fryer Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functionality of an oven and air fryer. Its unique French door design allows for easy access and a stylish look, making it a standout addition to any kitchen. With advanced air circulation technology, it cooks food evenly and efficiently, providing crispy results without excessive oil. The spacious interior accommodates large dishes, perfect for family meals or gatherings. Multiple cooking modes, including baking, roasting, and air frying, offer a variety of cooking options. Easy-to-use controls and a clear digital display make operations straightforward. The Miele Flexify French Door Air Fryer Oven typically retails for around $150 to $250, depending on the retailer and any sales or discounts. Number 6. Charge Capsule Gravity Versatile Digital Clock. The Charge Capsule Gravity Versatile Digital Clock is a sleek and modern timepiece designed for both functionality and style. Its unique gravity sensor allows the clock to automatically adjust the display orientation, making it easy to read from any angle. Featuring a bright LED display, it shows the time clearly, even in low-light conditions. The clock also includes multiple alarm settings and a snooze function, ensuring you wake up on time without hassle. Its compact design makes it perfect for bedside tables or desks, blending seamlessly with any decor. The Charge Capsule Gravity Versatile Digital Clock generally retails for around $30 to $50. Pricing may vary based on the retailer and any current promotions. Number 5. QuezArt CBK110P1 Compact Automatic Bread Maker. The QuezArt CBK110P1 compact automatic bread maker is perfect for home bakers seeking convenience and quality. The QuezArt CBK110P1 compact automatic bread maker typically retails for around $80 to $120. This compact machine offers a variety of bread settings, allowing you to easily bake everything from classic white bread to gluten-free options. Its intuitive control panel features a digital display and programmable timer, making it easy to customize baking times and crust settings. The non-stick baking pan ensures effortless removal and cleanup, while the included measuring cup and spoon simplify the ingredient process. Number 4. DREO Barista Maker Smart Milk Frother for all milk types. The DREO Barista Maker Smart Milk Frother is a versatile appliance designed to elevate your coffee experience at home. The DREO Barista Maker Smart Milk Frother generally retails for around $40 to $60. It can froth all milk types including dairy and non-dairy options, providing rich, creamy textures for lattes and cappuccinos. With multiple frothing modes and temperature settings, you can customize your drink to perfection. Its sleek design and compact size make it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. The easy-to-clean components ensure maintenance is hassle-free. Enjoy cafe-quality beverages with this smart and efficient milk frother. Number 3. Kitchen Mama Orbit 1 Rechargeable Electric Can Opener. The Kitchen Mama Orbit 1 Rechargeable Electric Can Opener is a convenient tool designed to simplify your cooking experience. Its cordless design allows for easy use anywhere in the kitchen, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords. With a simple push of a button, it effortlessly opens cans of all sizes, making it perfect for those with limited hand strength. The Kitchen Mama Orbit 1 Rechargeable Electric Can Opener typically retails for around $30 to $40. Its safety features include a built-in blade that cuts safely and neatly without sharp edges. Enjoy a stress-free can opening experience with this innovative electric opener. Number 2. Shell Juicer Award-Winning Ceramic Juicer. The Shell Juicer is an award-winning ceramic juicer that combines style and functionality in one elegant design. Crafted from high-quality, durable ceramic, it ensures longevity while maintaining a chic aesthetic for your kitchen. Its unique shape allows for efficient juice extraction from citrus fruits, making it easy to enjoy fresh juice anytime. The Shell Juicer, known for its award-winning ceramic design, typically retails for around $30 to $50. Its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze, perfect for busy lifestyles. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both home use and on-the-go juicing. With the Shell Juicer, you can elevate your beverage game while adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Enjoy the perfect blend of beauty and practicality with this exquisite juicer. Number 1. Golife Portable Countertop Ice Maker for Convenience. The Golife Portable Countertop Ice Maker is designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency, perfect for any kitchen or gathering. Its compact size allows it to fit easily on countertops, making it a great addition to small spaces. The Golife Portable Countertop Ice Maker generally ranges from about $100 to $200. This ice maker produces high-quality bullet ice in just minutes, ensuring you have a steady supply for drinks and parties. With a simple control panel, it's easy to operate, allowing you to choose between different ice sizes to suit your needs. The energy-efficient design ensures low power consumption while delivering fast results. Its sleek design not only enhances your kitchen decor, but also makes it portable for outdoor use. Enjoy chilled beverages anytime with this reliable and stylish ice maker. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.